All right, guys, so for my Bambu Lab P1S 3D printer, I use the app that's called Bambu Handy. You can also use the Bambu software on your computer. That one is Bambu Studio, okay? So I'm going to bring up my Bambu Handy. You can see it here in the top left corner. And then I will browse through all the different 3D models they have out here and choose one that I like. I think that one is pretty cool. Holds your glasses for you. But you can find any model out here and print it. All right. So for me, I'm going to go over to my browsing history, and this shows you everything that I've browsed. All right, and so I'm getting ready to do a print, and I think I'm gonna go with this wall art African woman. And here it gives you all of the information. These are all the words they use so you can locate this print. And I'm going to click on prepare to print on the bottom right. And then it gives you additional information. It tells you it's 0.2 millimeter layers, 2 walls, 15% infill, I think it is. And then it has that it's going to take 2.6 hours total time to make. It uses 26 grams of filament. It's only going to build this out on one plate. And then you have the 0.4 millimeters there. And then the two colors, so I have the AMS, so I can do multiple colors using my AMS. So they're using black and brown to make this art, so I'm going to use the same color. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. And again, it shows you your time and cost, which is 2.6 hours, and then the filament cost is 25 grams. I'm using the Bambu Lab P1S. I have the textured PEI plate, and then I'm going to match my filament. So my black is an actual number 3, and I'm going to confirm, and my brown is in number 4. So I'm going to confirm that, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on start print. And then it's going to send this print to my 3D printer. So it shows you right now that it's slicing it, getting it all ready to be printed. So I can click here. It says the printer is currently busy, y'all. Let's give it a minute. All right, so now it has sent everything to my printer, and I can take a look inside my printer. So I don't have to be sitting at my printer in order to do this. And it shows you inside my printer. Sorry that it went to the side there. And it's going to start calibrating and all that good stuff, and then it will start to print. So it tells you the heat bed is preheating. And now it is getting ready to calibrate. And I see a piece of filament hanging in there. Sorry about that, y'all, because I am sitting at my printer. So let me see if I can grab that off. think it fell. All right, so it's going to start its thing, and the brown is actually, the brown and black is getting in position. So it's going to start with the black. So let me see if I can show you guys here. So right now, over on the far left side of the screen at the top, it's showing that the filament, you can see there in the brown, is pushing out the brown because that's the last color that I used, and then it's going to replace it with the black. And then it'll start to do its thing. But this is what I use with my Bambu Lab P1S. This is the app that I use on my Android phone, which is Bambu Handy. And yeah, so I don't have to create these files. These files are already created for me. Like when I did the Kobe, I pulled that file from Bambu Handy to do the Kobe, and that was a large project, y'all. It took 111 hours to print all of those pieces out to make up that full statue, and the statue is about 18 inches tall. But yeah, so this project is going to take 2 hours and 21 minutes to completion, and I'll come back and show you parts of it, and then I'll show you the finished product. So yeah, that's it. All right, so stay tuned. Part 1.